Can artificial intelligence or advanced softwares take away the job of interior designers? This is a question that upcoming interior designers and interior design students ask very often. So, let us try and answer this. Well, there are many things that AI can do very well. For example, providing a space with the right furniture options, brightening up a space with focus lights, decorative lights, many other decorative things like wallpapers, rugs, carpets, curtains, artifacts, paintings, which can, really bring charm in that space. But then there are many aspects of design which have far deeper gravity, and these are the things that AI cannot really handle. So let's understand those things. I am architect Sheetal Dhopte, practicing architect and interior designer and co-founder director of Excel Interior Design Institute, Nagpur. There are three major aspects of interior design which advanced softwares or artificial intelligence can never take away. Number one, client interpretation. When we are judging a client for his cultural, religious, lifestyle requirements and provide him solutions, this cannot be done so wonderfully by AI. Number two, understanding the climatological requirements of a site, the amount of light that is coming in, the humidity, the orientation of space, and then suggesting material or specific finishes for a site. This cannot be done by AI. And number three, understanding the site related problems like the structural disalignments, the cracks, dampness, termites, or any other major issues that a site has or can have in future. So these are those three major aspects of design where a strong, practically equipped interior designer's job cannot be taken away by AI. So be rest assured. But then this also brings in the important message that your education should be practically equipped. Well, here we can help you out. Excel Interior Design Institute works on study without books method of learning interior design. So, if you are interested in this method and wish to know about the courses in detail, please click the link below and get in touch with us. See you all for the next video. Thank you.